Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Alvaro and welcome to my channel that I created to share with you guys the modifications I'll be doing to my stock Ford F-150 for fun, to increase the performance, and just to stay busy during this quarantine time. I also would like to know what modifications you guys are doing to your vehicles, so go ahead and comment and let me know what you guys are up to. I'll go ahead and show you guys the actual truck as it sits now, and that way you get an idea of what it looks like before I start changing not only the looks but performance of the vehicle as well. So let's go ahead and look at that truck. Hey everyone, so here's my stock F-150. So you can kind of see how it looks now, and I'll go ahead and turn it on as well so you guys can kind of see how it sounds. So I'm thinking of making some engine changes as well, or modifications. So guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have made some minor mods. One of them was I changed out the actual antenna on the vehicle. So I used to have that large antenna that was, I don't know what, two feet maybe, no, a little longer, and it looks out of date, I think. And so I started looking around and saw several different options, but I kind of like this one here. I looked in Amazon, found this antenna that's 13 inches long, and it said the reception was pretty good. I liked it. I'll go ahead and give you guys the link if you want to kind of get a little bit more information on it. The installation wasn't too bad, you know, just the adjustable wrench. Takes less than maybe 10 minutes. Unscrew the original one and then go ahead and place this one on there, and the actual reception is pretty good, so I would recommend it. So if you guys want to kind of check that out, I kind of like overall the look of it. Kind of goes with I think the truck, and it looks a little more sleek. I think it's supposed to look more like a Raptor type, so check that out. Another modification I made was this cover for the truck. So I was debating between a hard cover or this soft cover, but I think I like this one. Rolls up all the way. You don't get to have any issues with blocking the back window, and just goes all the way, so if you need to put anything back here, so it works pretty nice. And the third one is these inserts on the platinum letters, and I also got those on Amazon. Those weren't too bad. They fit nicely in there, and so far I've washed the car, they haven't came off. They were kind of nice, and I think they stand out a lot more. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you the videos, or actually the pictures, where the before and after pictures, so you kind of get an idea of how I look before and after. And let me know what you guys think, if it looks better with or without the little mods. I think the last thing I also got was a small cargo net. It was a little bit smaller in length, so I went ahead and just got a couple of hooks to be able to hook it on there. But I like it. It helps keep kind of my things close to the tailgate whenever I don't fill the back up. I'm going to buy in a couple of things, so I kind of like it as well. And as you can see here, you can see the actual clips for the actual bed cover as well. It was really simple. The bed cover probably took maybe an hour at the most, with some help from my son. And the inserts, I would say, probably took about maybe 30 minutes at the most after you cleaned it up and put it back on. So I'll go ahead and let's turn the truck on so you guys can kind of hear also how it sounds. So this is how the cabin sounds. pretty quiet. Let me go outside so you kind of see, and I'll show you guys the hood as well. So you can see I haven't done any modifications to the hood or the engine. Hear that? See the exhaust there on the side. So you can see it's all stock, guys. Haven't changed anything on the engine yet, but I'm thinking of a couple of mods. So that's how it sounds right now. So I mean it's stock, so it's pretty quiet actually. I think I want a little bit more sound out of the engine, so we'll see. Thinking of a couple modifications. Let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, so that's my truck. Thanks for watching, and remember to share, comment, like, and subscribe.